Hello guys, join me as I cut this hijab. Stay tuned. So I've already folded my fabric into 4 folding. I'm placing 4 inches for the head circumference. Then I'll placing 14 inches, which is serve as a kind of shoulder slope guide. You don't want it to be too up so that it will not be bulgy up. So I'll be placing 25 inches for the sleeve. This is where my cutting will start. It is an Egyptian hijab from somewhere up my hair, so this is where it will start. But this particular type of hijab is not the one that starts from the hair exactly. It's the one that starts like up your head, more like it's more fitted around your neckline down. The one that it starts from the top upper part of your hair. So here I'm placing the sleeve opening, which is 7 inches, and I'll just cuff it out, and as well as I'll just elongate it downward later. So here, like I said, this is not the one that have this bulginess around the neckline. It's one that have this, it's kind of fitted around the neck area. That's because for the front part of the hijab, we are going to cut out the shape of the neck. That's exactly why I use 4 inches for that very first one. So here I'll just come down and ensure that whatever I'm having here additional to the 4 inches I removed earlier will be equal to the circumference of the head, particularly my own head, which is 22 inches. So whatever I'm having here is already it's like as if I'm doing divided by 2 for each. For the head part, maybe I decide to go with 8 inches. For the down part, I'll definitely remove 8 inches from 22 inches before I'll be able to get the exact measurement remaining. So here I'm just cutting it out. Because I've already posted a detailed tutorial on how to cut hijab on this channel, so that's why I'm not really putting much details here. But I'm making a video very soon to show how to measure, how to cut, and how to stitch hijab very soon, inshallah. So please stay tuned. So here, like we already know, the back pattern of our hijab, back panel have to be at least 6 inches longer than the front one, because you don't want to have a jump back of your hijab. So here my hijab is ready, just for me to stitch it. I will just cut out the front part of the neck. Like I said, this one is the one with the neckline that is fitted, not the one that is bulgy. You can see the way I place it back, and you can see the way the stitch, you will run the stitch for when you want to sew it. So here I want to cut out my cap. So this is hijab cap. So here I'll just be folding it into 4, like you can see, because definitely hijab cap will have to be like in a 2 folding. So I'll be using 4.5 inches by, I think I use 7 inches. Yes, by 7 inches is okay for somebody with a kind of small, depending on how wide and how long you want your hijab cap to be. But sometimes you make it to be too long, it's not be that fitted on your head. So here I'm just cutting it out, so you make a semicircle kind of a thing. And yeah, so here I want to cut out this sleeve, so I'll be cutting out a straight sleeve for this one, and probably I'll be putting rubber later. So this is more like a cut with me kind of video, not a real detailed tutorial like you might be expecting it to be. This is just a cut with me tutorial, just a cut with me video rather. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.